washed my hair. This is the stylist for the day. Hello.
Hi.
And can you tell me what exactly did you wash my hair with? Okay, yeah. So this is the shampoo that we used on my hair. Acai Professional Anti-Residue Shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo.
Yes.
So what does it do?
This is the off in the cuticle, remove all the dirts on your hair.
So we have already done that on my hair right now.
Yes.
And now we are going to go to
Next, the second one. This is the
Step 2.
Yeah, the smoothing solution. This is the anti-frizz.
Okay, so this is the magic basically.
Yes.
Yes. So now we're going to put this in this bowl and take sections of my hair and put it on my hair.
Yes.
Let's go. So now I look like a person from the Star Trek series. Basically now they put the product in my hair and we keep it for some time before we wash it off. The waiting game is on. Oh my god, my eyes are watering. I don't know what's up. My eyes are really sensitive. This is not a good sign. I'm crying. Okay, be prepared to cry a lot when you get this treatment done because this is very not nice for sensitive eyes, and I have very sensitive eyes and it is making me cry like a baby right now. My eyes are not watering as much anymore, which is a good sign, and I will show you guys once all of this is done. So now I am just rinsing my hair. After they straightened it, I waited for about say 30 minutes, right? Yeah, and then now they're going to rinse my hair and then they're going to put a mask. Can you show the mask?
Yeah, sure.
Which mask it is?
Same, of course.
Yes, this one. This is step 3. So this is the hair. I think it looks pretty nice. I still have to see how it kind of wears after I wash it. You know, you always feel really nice once you get out of the salon, but the true test is if you feel good after your first shower. To give you an idea, this is how I get out of the salon.